Namaskar. I am Sri Simanchola Padi, researcher and writer of the books New System of Scientific Analysis and Padi's Method of Map Prediction. These two books are based on the life cycle concept, which is newly introduced for astroanalysis, or you can say astrology. Today is our 11th presentation, where we have taken another two events which has occurred very nearly to find out how the moon transit connects other planets to make an event on the Earth's nature. Friends, please note, this is what we predict either to the nature science or to the human beings or living beings. The science of astroanalysis or astrology based on percentage of probability. Not sure. You keep it in mind. Percentage of probability. We have to conclude till occurrence of the event, where prediction to be made are based on percentage of probability to happen. Please note it. It's a very important sentence. As, for example, present weather scientists they predict the weather much before the occurrence. Suppose, for example, cyclone. They predict maximum percentage of probability. They are not sure heat or the landfall of the cyclone on the Earth's zone or our land zone. Friends, keep it in mind this science of astroanalysis and astrology to predict it, if any, that is to be based on percentage of probability but not 100% sure. Today what we have taken very interesting event of 1999. Severe cyclone and super cyclone occurred at coastal belt of Odisha, where severe cyclone occurs date 18th October 99. We have taken the time 2:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time, latitude 19 north 20, longitude 85 east 00, place Berhampur, Ganjam, Odisha. After 11 to 12 or 13 days, the super cyclone is occurred, where we have taken the date 29th October 99, time 9:29 a.m. Indian Standard Time, latitude 20 north 17, longitude 86 east 42, place Jagatsinghpur. These two maps we have given the life cycle concept basis derived from that geometrical mapping. Friends, we have taken the Sun and Earth line, first case on 18th October 99, Tura 0.20 degree Libra, So we have taken this sun's apparent movement from our old ephemeris, ancient ephemeris, and drawn this lifeline, or you can draw this lifeline by taking the S moment from the map. So sun is Libra direction of 20 minutes, and Earth is also Aries direction of 20 minutes. Now we have got divided to 8 segments, 45 degrees each, where these two segments are rest zone, and these two segments are related to powerful sun powerful zone, and this two zone is rectangular zone, where we found that when the west planets, they transit west to eastward, and the Earth also circle in its own axis from west to eastward, then if we put the longitude here 180 degree longitude east, and it is 0 degree longitude east, then we found these areas comes under this segment or nearby to the rectangular line, 90 degree line. It is still research work, still under research. At present we have taken concept that during sunrise, mostly Odisha comes under nearby rectangular line, where we have taken 180 degree east longitude and 0 degree longitude east longitude in this circle. If we mark the planet positions, this line, Venus and Mars, are nearer to this line. Similarly, during Akara we went ascendant, Moon, Neptune, Uranus within 90 to 135 degree, and within 45 degree to 90 degree of either side. So these group of planets and ascendant are all nearby the rectangular line. So it is very interesting. Now you can say Mars is a negative planet, Venus is a negative planet, Neptune is also a negative planet. When Moon connects to these planets and makes transit in this planetary zone, the event was occurred. Very interesting. Saturn nearby the Jupiter in the S zone, where losses to living beings also occur. If we will come to 29th October 1999, after 12 to 13 days interval, we got the Sun transit apparent journey, Libra, or in India we call it Tula, Libra, 11 degree 44 minutes. So accordingly we have given a lifeline, and Saturn we have taken the life center and divided 8 division segments, 8 segments equally 45 degree each. Similarly, we have derived the life-centric position of the planetary of that day, transit planetary positions of that day, and we have placed it here which is in your form. Hence, here what will difference we found? This moon, when it makes a transit with this segment, you see, here it comes to here. Then group of planets comes here. Neptune, Mars, Moon, Venus, all are negative planets. Saturn, Jupiter, nearby S segment, S zone. So what do you conclude? The planets' influence on our Earth's nature, so Moon is a connecting planet to occur these two events. Is it not? So planetary influence is there. We have to make research to find out the truthness of the subject. Now I request the weather scientist, please go through our findings which have given in 10A, 10B, 10C presentation, and today 11th presentation, how the planets influence our Earth's nature, and Moon acts as a correcting planet to make an event. So, for nature, science of nature, Moon is very important. Similarly, you must note that Mars and Venus, though they are nearer orbits, when they are two, they become nearer orbits of the Earth, and they become closer, Bakri, retrograde. The disturbance or changes to Earth's good or bad is frequently occur because they come to the S zone and have a mutual pull and push of the magnetic power. So the mutual force disturbs our Earth's nature very frequently during transit retrograde period. So friends, I do not want to disturb you more. Here we have given two events occurred within some few days interval in 10A, 10B, 10C, and today we have also given the events of occurred within 12 to 13 days interval, where to prove you all, to explain you all that planetary influence is there, and Moon acts as a connecting planet. So the third point, retrograde planets, Mars and Venus are very important planets to influence making disturbance or making changes to our Earth. Till our research work, at present our research work says that the Earth's longitude can be placed with this 0 degree to 180 degree Sun and Earth lifeline position, where we can make prediction globally events occurrence as per sensitive zone. Keep it in line. Suppose your zone is sensitive to earthquake, we have to predict accordingly. Suppose our zone is sensitive, very sensitive to cyclone, so we have to predict accordingly. Day of occurrence, month, northward journey or southward journey, these are all criteria. We have to come for afterwards. Thank you very much. Please go through it. Till coming presentation, namaskar.